Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to this eye-opening journey into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's reshaping one of the most critical sectors of our society, the pharmaceutical industry. From drug discovery to diagnostics, AI is no longer a future concept, it's happening right now. In this video, we'll explore how machine learning, big data, and automation are transforming the way we understand, develop, and deliver medicine. So for that, take a brief overview of AI in pharma. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the most complex and heavily regulated sectors in the world. It involves massive amounts of data, from chemical compound research and clinical trial results to patient health records and market analytics. The key technologies behind AI in pharma include machine learning, ML, allows systems to learn from past data to make better predictions or decisions. Natural language processing, NLP, helps analyze scientific papers, patient notes, and trial reports to extract relevant information. Computer vision, used to analyze medical images and lab results. AI starts at the very beginning, helping researchers identify the biological targets most likely to be involved in a disease. These could be proteins, genes, or molecular pathways. Deep learning, a subfield of ML that mimics the human brain to process complex data like genomics or protein folding. These technologies are helping researchers make discoveries faster, reduce the risk of failure in drug development, and personalize medicine in ways never before possible. Now, move on to the AI in drug discovery. Drug discovery has always been a high-stakes, high-cost endeavor. On average, it takes 10 to 15 years and over $2.5 billion to bring a single new drug to market, and nearly 90% of drugs fail during development. This is where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the process. Target identification and validation. Machine learning algorithms can analyze genomics, proteomics, and disease data to suggest which targets to focus on, drastically speeding up the early stages of research compound screening. Once a target is identified, researchers must find chemical compounds that interact with it. Traditionally, this involves high-throughput screening of millions of molecules, a laborious and expensive process. Drug design and optimization. AI is not just finding existing compounds, it's creating new ones. Generative AI can design novel drug molecules from scratch, optimizing them for absorption, solubility, and fewer side effects. Predictive toxicology and safety profiling. Even promising compounds can be unsafe. AI models are trained on historical toxicity data to predict how a drug will behave in the human body, including side effects, toxicity, and interactions with other drugs. This helps eliminate risky compounds early, saving years of work and millions of dollars. Real-world applications and startups. Atomwise uses deep learning for molecular screening, claiming it can do in days what used to take months. BenevolentAI combines AI with biomedical data to uncover hidden drug targets. How AI learns. Data, data, data. AI thrives on data. Pharmaceutical companies are feeding AI systems with data from scientific journals, failed and successful drug trials, genetic sequences. The benefits of AI in drug discovery. The advantages of using AI in drug discovery are clear: speed, cuts down discovery time from years to months, cost-effective, reduces R&D spend by millions. AI is doing what was once unimaginable, turning drug discovery from a slow, uncertain science into a fast, data-driven innovation machine. And this is just the beginning. Further topic: AI in clinical trials. Clinical trials are a vital part of drug development, the phase where a potential treatment is tested on humans to ensure it is safe, effective, and better than existing alternatives. Patient recruitment and matching. AI can analyze millions of electronic health records, EHRs, lab results, genetic data, and even wearable device data to find ideal candidates, quickly and accurately. Trial design and simulation. AI also helps researchers design better trials. It can simulate trial outcomes using historical data and machine learning, suggesting the most effective study structure, dosage, and patient stratification. This reduces trial failure rates and ensures more reliable results. real-time monitoring and predictive analytics. Once the trial begins, AI doesn't stop working. It monitors patient data in real time, from wearable devices, lab tests, and medical check-ins. Adaptive trials and continuous learning. Traditional trials are rigid, they follow a fixed protocol from start to finish. AI enables adaptive trials, where data is continuously analyzed and the trial design can evolve in real time. Post-trial data analysis. Once the trial ends, AI helps with data interpretation, spotting trends, correlations, and rare outcomes that humans might miss. This leads to deeper insights, better regulatory submissions, and a stronger case for FDA or EMA approval. Expanding diversity and global reach. AI helps trials become more inclusive by identifying underrepresented populations who meet the criteria. It also helps conduct decentralized trials across geographies using digital tools, increasing access and representation. Key benefits of AI in clinical trials: faster patient recruitment, lower costs, fewer dropouts and delays, higher success rates, more inclusive and adaptive designs, real-time safety monitoring. With AI, clinical trials are becoming smarter, faster, and more humane. They're no longer just a research requirement, they're an innovation lab where AI helps deliver safer, more effective treatments to the people who need them most. Now going forward to AI in drug manufacturing. Once a drug is discovered and approved, the next critical step is manufacturing it at scale, safely, efficiently, and consistently. Smart process optimization. AI-powered systems can monitor every step of drug production in real time, from mixing chemicals to packaging the final product. Sensors collect massive volumes of data on temperature, humidity, pressure, and chemical properties. Quality assurance and defect detection. Maintaining drug quality is non-negotiable. Any error in dosage or contamination can be life-threatening. Traditionally, quality testing is done manually or in batches. Predictive maintenance. Pharma production lines include complex machinery that must run 24/7. When equipment fails, it can halt the entire process and waste millions of dollars. Supply chain optimization. AI doesn't stop at the factory. It helps manage the entire supply chain, from sourcing raw materials to distributing finished drugs. Real-time batch release. AI enables real-time release testing, RTRT, analyzing process data on the fly to determine if a batch meets quality standards without delay. This reduces waiting time from days to minutes. Self-optimizing factories. The future pharma is moving toward autonomous, self-optimizing manufacturing plants, where AI controls, monitors, and adjusts every part of production in real time. Key benefits of AI in drug manufacturing: faster production cycles, lower waste and higher yields, improved safety and compliance. AI in drug manufacturing is driving a new era of intelligent, agile, and cost-effective production. From factory floors to global logistics, AI ensures that medicines reach patients faster and safer than ever before. Now, move on to the AI in personalized medicine. Imagine a world where every person gets a treatment that is designed just for them, based on their unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and health history. That's not science fiction, that's personalized medicine. Understanding personalized medicine. This includes genetic factors, biomarkers, lifestyle habits, environment, and medical history, all of which influence how we respond to different treatments. Role of AI in analyzing complex health data. AI algorithms analyze massive datasets like genomic sequencing, lab tests, EHRs, wearables, and population studies to uncover patterns that determine what treatments are likely to work and which ones aren't. AI in genomic medicine. AI can rapidly sequence and interpret a person's DNA, identify genetic mutations that cause disease, and match patients to drugs that target those exact mutations. Predictive and preventive healthcare. AI doesn't just treat, it predicts. By analyzing a patient's genetic risk factors and lifestyle data, AI can forecast who is likely to develop certain conditions, such as diabetes, Alzheimer's, or certain cancers, before symptoms appear. AI-driven drug matching, personalized cancer treatment, real-world monitoring with wearables and apps. Key benefits of AI in personalized medicine: more effective treatments, fewer side effects, better preventive care, faster diagnosis and therapy matching, empowered patients. AI is transforming medicine from a one-size-fits-all approach to truly personalized care. By decoding the unique language of our bodies, AI is helping doctors choose the right treatment for the right person at the right time. So, the next topic is AI in diagnosis and imaging. Early and accurate diagnosis can mean the difference between life and death. Whether it's detecting cancer in its early stages or spotting signs of neurological disease, timely diagnosis is critical. But traditional diagnostic methods are time-consuming, prone to human error, and often limited by access to experienced specialists. AI in medical imaging. An overview of AI algorithms, particularly deep learning models, are being trained to analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRI, SCT scans, ultrasound, PET scans. Early detection of diseases. For example, in oncology, AI can detect tumors as small as a few millimeters, long before symptoms appear. In cardiology, AI can identify signs of heart disease by analyzing simple chest X-rays. AI in neurology. In brain imaging, by analyzing brain MRIs, AI can spot signs of atrophy, lesions, or reduced brain volume years before symptoms become severe. Ophthalmology and retinal scans. Radiology workflow efficiency. Multimodality diagnostics. AI-powered diagnostics in low-resource settings. The benefits of AI in diagnosis and imaging. Early detection equals better prognosis, lower costs, and increased efficiency. Expanded access in remote areas. AI is not replacing radiologists, it's empowering them. By handling high volumes, highlighting critical cases, and detecting the undetectable, AI is becoming the radiologist's smartest assistant. Now, move forward to regulatory challenges and ethical considerations. While artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry, it also brings serious regulatory and ethical challenges. Regulatory uncertainty, transparency and explainability, black box problem, data privacy and consent, bias and discrimination in AI models, accountability and liability, ethical use of genetic data, governance, standards, and oversight. Core ethical principles in AI for pharma. AI in pharma holds immense promise, but without robust regulation and ethical grounding, that promise can quickly become peril. Ethical and regulatory frameworks aren't just checkboxes, they're the foundation for trust, safety, and long-term success in AI-driven healthcare. Lastly, case studies in the future of AI in pharma. Artificial intelligence in pharma is no longer a theoretical concept. It's here, it's working, and it's saving lives. Let's look at some real-world case studies that prove AI's impact. Then, we'll explore what the future holds for this fast-evolving space. Real-world case studies. Pfizer plus IBM Watson. Accelerating immuno-oncology. Watson processed millions of medical papers, patents, clinical trial data, and biological databases, helping Pfizer pinpoint promising molecular interactions in weeks, not years. BenevolentAI plus COVID-19, drug repurposing in days. PathAI, AI in cancer pathology and silicone medicine. AI-designed drugs. The future of AI in pharma. Hyper-personalized therapies, continuous learning, AI models, AI plus quantum computing in drug design, AI-augmented clinical trials, global AI regulations and ethics as a priority. So, at the end, we got final thoughts and conclusion. From lab benches to hospital beds, artificial intelligence is reshaping the pharmaceutical world, making it faster, smarter and more personal. But innovation must walk hand in hand with ethics, regulation, and compassion. The future of AI in pharma is not just about algorithms, it's about saving lives, restoring hope, and building a healthier world. AI is not replacing scientists, it's supercharging them. And in the hands of humanity, it just might help us cure the incurable. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. And connect with us by other AI and technology information.